Hello, I am Bappa sir, Atunu Mullik. My good name is Atunu Mullik. I well known as Bappa sir. Today I am going to take a small class for NEET aspirants. Topic of today is electric dipole. It is a very important topic for NEET. There are several questions on this topic in your exam. So just we study about some technical formula of electric dipole. A electric dipole is formed by two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. When two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, then it is called an electric dipole. That is, let us take a minus q charge at A and there is a plus q charge at B, and separation between them is 12. Here 12 is called displacement vector. 12 is called displacement vector between minus q and plus q, and this is called electric dipole. So electric dipole has a dipole moment. Dipole moment of electric dipole written by P, which is equal to charge into displacement vector between minus q and plus q charge. Dipole moment is a vector which is denoted by P, and it is equal to charge into displacement vector 12, q into 12. Its unit is coulomb meter, and dimensional formula of dipole moment is IT into L. So dipole moment is the product of charge into displacement vector between minus q and plus q charge. Now we can express this dipole moment in terms of position vector also. If we want to express the dipole moment in position vector in terms of position vector, then we get, suppose this is a three-dimensional coordinate system, x, y and z. Suppose there is a plus q charge and there is a minus q charge at A and B respectively. Now we calculate dipole moment of this system. Dipole moment of the system is q into BA. Dipole moment of the system is q into BA. BA is the displacement vector. Now if coordinate of point B is x1, y1 and z1, and coordinate of point A is x2, y2 and z2, then AB displacement vector is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. So the dipole moment in terms of position vector q bracket x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. This is the equation of dipole moment in terms of position vector. Now there is some problem regarding dipole. If we place a dipole in a uniform electric field, then a torque acts on the dipole. What is the equation of this torque? If we apply a uniform electric field on a dipole, suppose this is a uniform electric field of intensity E. As we know, the lines of force of uniform electric field is parallel to each other and intensity of electric field is O, and we place a electric dipole in the uniform electric field making an angle theta. Axis of the dipole AB making an angle theta with the intensity of electric field. So when we place a dipole in a uniform electric field making an angle theta, then there is a force on plus q and minus q charge. Force on plus q charge is QE, which is along intensity of electric field, and force on minus q charge is also QE, but it opposite to the intensity of electric field. So there is a couple. This QE and QE form a couple. Due to the couple, there is a torque, and the dipole able to rotate about the center. When we place a dipole in a uniform electric field, the dipole able to rotate about its center due to the couple. So torque of the couple, moment of the couple, or torque or moment of the couple written as Pe sin theta. What is P? P is dipole moment. P is dipole moment, Q into 12. When we place a dipole in a uniform electric field, a torque acts on the dipole and it is Pe sin theta. This torque is also known as restoring torque. Due to this torque, the dipole also execute a angular oscillation. This torque, the dipole can execute a angular oscillation. If the dipole execute angular oscillation, then time period of the angular oscillation, time period of angular oscillation, time period of angular oscillation, time period is angular oscillation t equal to 2 pi root over I by Pe. What is I? I is the moment of inertia of the system. If mass of this charge minus q and plus q is m, if mass of the charge minus q and plus q is m, then moment of inertia written as 2ml square. So this is the equation of time period of oscillation, angular oscillation, 2 pi root over I by me, sorry, I by P, t equal to 2 pi root over I by P be the formula of time period of angular oscillation of a dipole placed in a uniform electric field, where I is the moment of inertia, which is equal to 2ml square. And if you ask to find the frequency of oscillation, then frequency n, frequency written by n, which is reciprocal of time period, that is 1 by 2 pi root over Pe by m. This is the Pe by I. This is the frequency of oscillation. Again, if we place a dipole in a uniform electric field, it has some potential energy. When a dipole placed in a uniform electric field and we rotate the dipole from angle theta 1 to theta 2, then it has some potential energy. Since electric field is a uniform electric field is a conservative field, since uniform electric field is a conservative field, so work done in uniform electric field by a torque is stored into the body as potential energy, So if we rotate this dipole from an angle theta 1 to theta 2, then work done against this restoring torque stored into the dipole as potential energy. So what is the equation of potential energy? Equation of potential energy, U is equal to Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. When you solve any type of numerical, using this formula, when you solve different numerical using this formula, in question we get from question we get theta 1 and theta 2. Now, as per example, if theta 1 is 90 degree, suppose the dipole is initially perpendicular with the electric field and then it rotates by an angle theta, final angle is theta, therefore potential energy become Pe cos theta minus of Pe cos theta, therefore minus of P dot E. In numerical we get the value of theta 1 and theta 2. So when we ask to calculate potential energy, we use this formula Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. From question just we put the value of theta 1 and theta 2, we get the proper equation. যেমন আমি এখানে এক্সাম্পলটা আমার since the example I give you example that if theta is theta 1 equal to 90 degree and theta 2 is equal to theta, then U equal to minus P cos theta equal to minus of P dot E. So these are the important formula. Torque is an important formula, time period is an important formula, frequency is an important formula, and potential energy of a dipole is also an important formula. These are the formulas of electric dipole which we apply for MCQs, which we apply for solving the MCQs. So that's all for the formula of electric dipole. Please remember this formula and solve the problem. Thank you.